You always check your dogs. Stay there, Lily. I'm trying to get on the other side of you, knucklehead. They like to get on top of the head and in the folds back here. Poor baby. One year, last year, the one was attached to her nipple. You was in the swamp, weren't you? Hey, get down. Get down. Buddy, come here. Buddy. Up here. Come on. Buddy. Buddy, come here. Buddy, get up here. Buddy, up here right now. Get up here. Come on. Buddy, come. Buddy. Up here. Get up here. Good boy. That's such a good boy, my handsome boy. Because I don't want no ticks breeding in my car, you know. The good thing is when you have that high temperature during the summer, it'll kill the ticks. I think we're good. They like to get in Buddy's head up here.